You're watching The Car Collective, and today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUV updates of the year, the 2026 Honda CR-V. If you thought the CR-V was already a leader in the compact SUV segment, wait until you see what Honda has done for 2026. This isn't just a mild refresh, this is a bold evolution of a bestseller that now looks sharper, drives smarter, and packs more tech than ever before. Let's talk design first. Honda has given the CR-V a more aggressive and athletic look. The front fascia is sharper with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a premium presence. The body lines flow cleaner and more confidently, and the rear has been redesigned with a fresh LED taillight signature and sportier bumper elements. It's not just a utility vehicle anymore, it's got street presence. Step inside, and things get even better. The cabin of the 2026 CR-V feels like a class above. Honda has focused on upscale materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout that feels intuitive from the moment you sit down. The dashboard is clean and modern, with a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster that gives drivers all the info they need in a sleek, customizable display. Under the hood, Honda continues to offer versatility. The 2026 CR-V will come with the proven 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, but there's also an updated hybrid model that pushes better fuel economy and quicker acceleration. Honda is clearly pushing toward efficiency without sacrificing performance. And for those wondering about all-wheel drive, it's still available and smarter than ever with enhanced traction control and drive modes tailored for snow, dirt, and normal driving conditions. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of safety tech, has also been upgraded. You now get improved adaptive cruise control, better lane-keeping assistance, a new 360-degree camera system, and even a driver attention monitor. Safety was already a CR-V strength, and now it's practically best-in-class rear seat passengers. Get more space thanks to a slightly longer wheelbase, and cargo space remains generous. Perfect for family trips, grocery runs, or weekend adventures. And don't forget, Honda has also worked on sound insulation to make the cabin even quieter, so your daily commute feels more refined than ever. So, is the 2026 Honda CR-V still the go-to SUV in its class? With these upgrades in tech, design, efficiency, and comfort, it's not just keeping up, it's setting the pace. If you're shopping for a compact SUV in 2026, the CR-V absolutely deserves a test drive. Subscribe to the Car Collective for more breakdowns on the newest models, and let us know in the comments. Would you go hybrid, or stick with the turbo? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.